Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AliExpress to find profitable products and list them onto eBay. So first of all, you need to install two plugins in order to have this system working. Number one, the plugin is called Ali Dropship. You have come to this Google Chrome, and if you're using Google Chrome browser, come to this Ali Dropship, this particular plugin, and then click add to Chrome to install this plugin. So this plugin basically will show you those items that is shipped using ePacket when you browse through the item list. And then the second plugin you need to install is called the Aliexpress search by image. Now this plugin basically I've tested. It doesn't really work so well for images. However, if you were to copy and paste the text, it does search the full text for you on AliExpress, which resulted in getting more item that looks exactly to what you want to list onto eBay. Okay, so install this two plugin, and then let's go back to AliExpress. Okay, so the research part basically very simple. We're using Zig Analytics, so we can log into the Zig and then go to management panel, and then under competitor list, I have a list of competitor that's being saved where the seller is from China. So you can sort by the comment and go to page 2 or page 3. So we will see a list of China sellers. So I'll continue to add more China seller onto this page, and you can actually take from this list if you want to find more items, so you can get from here, this list. And I've selected one of the seller over here. So first step is to sort by the current price. So look at what are the higher price item that is being sold. So I'm not interested in item that is below $10. It will be a very little profit. So let's take a look at, for example, this particular item, which is the LCD carbon monoxide poisoning sensor alarm. So the step to search for this item to find the source on AliExpress basically is very simple. You just take this title, or you can just click on this listing, this particular listing first. So it bring you to the eBay listing, and you can take a look at the selling price. So this is selling for $7.94, and you can see from here that the below, which is gray color, $9.34 zero, $12.14 30%, 14.01 50%. So we can aim to sell between 30 to 50% region. This refers to the number of seller that is selling at that particular price. So this particular seller, he is selling way below the market price. Maybe he can get a very cheap price, or he's just selling it at source price. And one thing to note, that he is actually shipping directly from USA and not from China. So probably that part he already factor in the selling cost, or he get in bulk. That means a massive quantity like 3,000, 5,000 pieces. That's why you can offer at this price. But it doesn't mean that there's nobody that's going to buy at $14.01. Okay, so that's not how eBay works. eBay doesn't mean that you sell cheapest, you will get your item sold. So the next step, what we can do is that you can either highlight this title and do a Ctrl C, which is copy, and then after you install the plugin, you will see this search by image AliExpress. Just paste the text over here and click the search button. You'll be directed to the AliExpress page, where you will find the item over here, and I believe this is the item we are looking for. Just click on this. Okay, so this page will load, and our second plugin will show up, which is the Ali Dropship plugin. And you can see that this is Ali Dropship plugin. When you install it, it will tell you it's ePacket. Why we need ePacket is because we want to factor in the cost and into the product. At the same time, ePacket is basically USPS. So let's click on the first item, and make sure that you select the dollar is US dollar, and the shipping country is USA. So there's a 44 cents to ship to USA, and the total cost is $7.03 when we ship to USA. So this is a very low price, and let's go back to the eBay listing. So basically this person, he is also making about 90 cents profit if you were to sell one of this. And look at the rest of the other seller. Some are pricing it at $9.12, some are pricing it below cost, and some even go lower, but they include the shipping fee. So this is one of the way that you can find profitable item, and use this method. After that, you have gotten the AliExpress link. Remember to copy this number, which is the listing number on AliExpress, and paste it onto push auction so that we can track the source where to buy this item in case this item is sold. So thank you for watching this video.